Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Keishla. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to be showing you my favorite products that I cannot live without, products that I'm usually coming back to. And these products are not necessarily new, but they might be new to you. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so to start off, I'm going to be showing you products in the order that I would do my makeup. So my favorite primer is the YSL Blurring Primer. I don't know what magic is in this bottle, but it works. It actually blurs your pores. When I lay my foundation, my skin just looks so beautiful. And yeah, it is expensive, but definitely worth the price. So for foundation, and if you've been watching my videos, you know I've been raving about the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This is an absolutely amazing foundation. This foundation gives you that airbrushed skin, it's full coverage, and I just love it so much, and I need a new one because I ran out, but this foundation is irreplaceable to me. I love it. So for concealer, and I'm pretty sure you're going to know what I'm going to say, it's the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This concealer is absolutely amazing. It blends super well, and most importantly, it is full coverage. At first, I had like a love and hate relationship because I have like super dry under eyes, but a little bit goes a long way. This concealer is full coverage, and yeah. And for my translucent powder, I like to use the Mercier translucent powder. Everybody uses this powder. What's new? I like this powder because it doesn't make my under eye dry. I've tried the Airspun one, which is like a more affordable one, and it's just too dry for my under eye. And I feel like the scent is also like really strong, and I'm really sensitive to like smells, like strong scents in products, so that one didn't really work out for me. So this is the one that I use. And to contour, I like to use the Hoola bronzer, and I clearly hit pan on this product, but I just love it so much. I've tried other bronzers, but I just keep going back to this one. This one just is like the perfect contour shade for my skin complexion, and yeah, I love it so much. For my brows, I don't have like a favorite brow product. I normally just go in with like a brow pencil, but something that I've been really loving is this brow powder. This is by INSPR. This came in my Ipsy bag. I've never really heard of this company, but I really like this product. And what I like about it is that once I apply it, like after the brow pencil, I feel like it sets the brows really nicely. Like my brows last all day, and I'm pretty sure it's this powder, so yeah. And now to my favorite product, and I'm sure everyone can say this, highlighter. This is the Desi Katy from Those Colors collab. This is Fuego, and what I like about this highlighter is that like once you apply it like on your cheeks, it just looks wet, and it's like the perfect gold. I absolutely love it. It's like an amazing highlighter. It's just a perfect shade. And for blush, I'm not really crazy about blush, but one blush that I've been enjoying is from Nars. This is in the shade in Goloue. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but I really like this blush because it's really pigmented, and when I apply it on my cheeks, it just blends like really nice. It's soft. And I think that's like the good things about Nars blushes, like they're very blendable and very like soft on the cheeks. So yeah, this is like my favorite blush right now. For my eyeshadow, I'm really loving the Jaclyn Hill palette. This palette is so beautiful. I feel she did an amazing job on it. This is really what you need. Like any makeup artist out there, like I recommend to have this palette in your kit. You have everything from like your neutrals, from like your dark colors to create like really nice smoky eyes. You have your pops of colors. It has great pigmentation. It blends like a dream. And I'm actually wearing this palette on my eyes today, so if you guys like this makeup, let me know. I can create a tutorial on it. But yeah, this is like a must for any like freelance makeup artist. And for lips, I actually have like two products that I'm really loving. This is the Maybelline Shape Liner. This lip liner is so good. It's super creamy. You can like wear it alone and like you're fine. This is in the shade Nude Whispers, like the perfect nude color. I really love this lip liner a lot. And it's like a drugstore brand, so you can't beat that. It's just like $6-7 if I'm not wrong. But yeah, this is like my favorite. So the second product is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Lip Gloss. This lip gloss is so good. It like doesn't make your lips like sticky. I know you guys put on some lip gloss and like your lips like they almost want to stay like shut. This lip gloss doesn't do that. It's super good, and I love the shade too. I feel like you can throw it on with any lipstick color and it just gives you like that beautiful shine, like your lips look wet. And yeah, I recommend this lip gloss to anybody looking for like a good formula. This is the one. And of course it's by Rihanna, which I absolutely adore. She's like my idol. So yeah, Fenty Beauty has been coming out with like really good products, so you should definitely check her line out. And for lashes, I really like the House of Lashes Iconic Lights. I really like the Iconics as well for like more of like a dramatic look. These are a little bit more like toned down. They're like soft and flirty. It's so nice. And I like it because like I don't even have to like cut them. They fit like perfectly on my eyes. And last, setting spray. This is the Milani Make It Last setting spray, and this setting spray replaced my Urban Decay and the MAC Fix Plus, like, and it's cheap too. It's like 10 bucks. So it's really good. It makes my makeup last all night. And yeah, I love it so much. It also, you can prime, correct, it stays here, and set. So it's like a 3-in-1 setting spray. It's super good, and it makes like my highlights pop. Like, you guys see that? I love this. Okay guys, so these are all my current favorite products, and most of these products are a little bit on the higher end side. So if you have like a dupe for these products, let me know. I'm totally down to save some money. I'm sure we all are. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Please like this video and follow me on social media. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.